Okay, this is the audio doorbell on the breadboard, just for records before I take it all apart. And now, with the power amplifier, so the FET is turning the ground on for the audio amplifier in this box. That's driven by this pin coming out of the Arduino, and the audio itself is coming out of the Arduino on this pin here, this yellow one, and that goes to this connector to the power amp, and it also goes to the the input of this standalone amp here. So if I just turn the volume down there, you can see it's just that amplifier. There's a switch on here, but there's not enough power. It's only 5 volts, so it's not driving. It should be 12 volts. It's not driving enough to light the LED. This is an Arduino in a ZIF, so it's easy to program multiple times. Yeah, that's it.